tukiwa hapa mjini wa Kisii. Tumepata mzee mmoja ambaye ameweza kuadhabishwa na anataka kupeana maoni yako. Maoni yako ni yapi kuhusu maandamano ya siku ya leo?
Kuhusu maandamano tunasema kwa ukweli kabisa, tunaelezea serikali kwamba when we are talking about the stomach, when the stomach is empty, the brain is empty. So we are dealing with the brain which is empty because it has not been fed by the stomach. If you are saying that you want us not to andamana and you don't want to lower the cost of living, then you are just useless. You don't know what you are doing in this government. Because one thing you told us initially, before we get elected you in the government, you told us that Mama Mboga will get what he wants. You told us that vijana wa pikipiki they'll get subsidies. You told us that people will be settled in this government. But now, what are you telling us? What do you want to tell us now? Because as at now, the price of fuel is high. The cost of living is high. And now you are claiming to be purporting that you are in the government. What government are you? No. Okay, now today, we are not andamanaing. We are just peacefully here. We are not, there's nobody who's just mwenye natusuia kufanya chenye tunafanya. Lakini maduka zimefungwa, ukiangalia kule, ukiangalia pale pande zote, hakuna duka imefunguliwa. Ukiangalia huku, wamama wanapanga machungwa yao, wanapanga, hakuna mama amekuja hapa. So, this is peaceful maandamano that we are doing. We are telling you this, if you are in government, that now, this is the right time that you should lower the cost of living. You should lower the cost of living so that Mama Mboga gets what he wants. Just as at now, you are looking the policemen around our back, around us. We are not having any maandamano that is destructive. We are not dealing with anybody. We are having peaceful maandamano as at now. We have just having peaceful maandamano. The policemen around us, we are peaceful. There is nothing that we are doing here. We only want to ask the government to lower the cost of living, to lower the cost of food production, to lower everything, so that then we don't go to the streets to fight. We don't want to fight with the policemen. They are our buddies. They are our guys. We don't want to fight with them. We only asking them, even them, they are also suffering because there is this finance bill that has passed that they should be constructed houses. Which houses are you guys going to be constructed? Which houses? You have your own houses. I also have my own house. Why would you tell me that I should be constructed an house where and I have mine? Where do you want to put me? If I'm working in Kisii, then I'm in Kisii and I have a house in Kisii. This policeman is working in Nyeri. He has also a house in Kisumu. Then why are you telling us that you want to construct our houses? No, that one finance bill should be demolished. We don't want it in totality. And when you told these people that this Mama Mboga will get food to eat or whatever, they are not working today. These houses are closed. These bookshops, whatever shops are closed. What are you telling us? Now we are having maandamano in 3 days consecutively and we don't ask somebody for it. We are having maandamano and peaceful as it is. Yes, as peaceful as it is. Policemen are around, we are not violating the laws. We are having laws and we know the laws. So we don't have any maandamano that is going to undermine or destruct property of other people. Now, maandamano should be 3 days.